Top maintenance issues we see every month and how to prevent them. HVAC issues are common during extreme weather. Change air filters every 1 to 3 months, keep vents clear, and adjust temperatures gradually with the season. Garbage disposals often clog when grease or hard food goes down the drain. To prevent this, avoid pouring grease or oil into the sink, skip hard or fibrous foods, and always run water when using the disposal. Washer and dryer issues often come from overloading or lint buildup. Avoid overloading, clean the lint filter every use, and use the right amount of detergents. Refrigerator issues often happen due to overcrowding or blocked airflow. Avoid overfilling, keep vents clear, and check door seals. Dishwasher issues are often caused by overloading or clogged filters. Rinse dishes, don't overload, and clean the filter regularly. Small habits make a big difference. If something doesn't seem right, submit a maintenance request through your tenant portal so we can help right away.